It is shocking that during early hours, as per the orders of US President Donald Trump, America attacked Iran in 3 places. According to US, these are nuclear sites in Iran. It is very clear that US intelligence categorically stated that they don't have any proof of Iran moving with nuclear weaponization. So it is the unilateral declaration of Donald Trump and, of course, Netanyahu of Israel. This attack on Iran is a naked violation of UN Charter and international law. We remember that earlier USA attacked Iraq and Saddam Hussein, and Iraq was occupied by USA and Saddam Hussein was murdered. What was the ground? USA alleged that Iraq had weapons of mass destruction. But when USA attacked Iraq, no weapon of mass destruction was used by Iraq against USA. Later on, USA and UK confessed that they had wrong intelligence report. So on wrong intelligence report, countries are being attacked. Today, USA and Israel are to be viewed as the number 1 and number 2 rogue states of the world. We condemn this attack unequivocally. We, CPIM and other left parties, call upon people to come out in protest against this naked declaration of war. We want India government to take a firm stand against the attack on Iran by USA and Israel. This will escalate, and if this escalates and even otherwise, this is going to have very, very crippling impact on world economy. Prices will go up, oil prices will go up. Indian economy and world economy would suffer. Therefore, not only for peace, for peaceful daily life of people all over the world, peace is required. Immediately, USA and Israel should stop their war actions, not only in Iran, but in Gaza and West Bank also.